A very boring video, but Chicken's cage was cleaned again. Another 2 hours of sweeping, cleaning the bottom out, cleaning the whole cage and scrubbing it, cleaning her tub out again. What are you going to say about that, Chicken? Are you a talking parrot yet? Oh, okay. But I have to say it first, right? You talking parrot yet? You going to turn your back on me? She turned her back on me. Can you believe that? Aw, Chicken. How dare you? How dare you turn your back on me? You talking parrot? Okay. Say bye. You talking parrot and say bye. Say ruh. Say ruh. Come on. Talking parrot. You want a seed? You want a nut? Okay, I thought that would get the ruh out of her. All right.